Lexus UX 300e 2021 All-Electric Luxury SUV 4.5 Grade Fresh Clear 2025 Pakistan. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today, we are bringing you a very special, premium, and future-ready vehicle that is rarely available in the Pakistani market. The Lexus UX 300e, a fully electric luxury SUV from Lexus. If you are looking for a car that offers luxury, advanced technology, smooth performance, and zero fuel cost, then this video is for you. So please watch till the end. Let's start with the basic information. This is a Lexus UX 300e. Model year 2021. A 100% all-electric vehicle. And it comes with its original factory charger. The car has been freshly cleared in 2025, meaning there are no clearance issues and the vehicle is ready for transfer and use. This gives the buyer complete peace of mind. Now let's talk about the condition, because this car is in excellent shape. This Lexus UX 300e comes with a 4.5 auction grade, and the original auction sheet is available for verification. A 4.5 grade clearly shows that the vehicle is very clean, genuine, and well maintained in Japan. The import mileage was only 15,600 kilometers, and the current mileage is around 19,000 kilometers. This means the car has been very lightly driven after import. Honestly speaking, this car is almost like a brand new vehicle, both inside and outside. Now let's talk about what makes the Lexus UX 300e special. This is a top-of-the-line variant, offering premium Lexus build quality, luxury interior, and a very smooth electric driving experience. Because this is a fully electric vehicle, you get no petrol cost, no CNG, no engine noise, very low maintenance. You can easily charge this car at home using the factory charger. It is perfect for daily city driving, office commute, and family use. With fuel prices increasing day by day in Pakistan, electric vehicles like this Lexus UX 300e are becoming a smart and future-proof choice. The driving experience is extremely refined. The electric motor delivers instant torque, smooth acceleration, and a silent cabin, which gives a true luxury feel. Whether you are driving in traffic or on open roads, the car feels comfortable, stable, and premium. The interior quality is exactly what you expect from Lexus: high-quality materials, excellent finishing, and a very comfortable seating position. The battery health is excellent, suspension is smooth, and the overall ride quality is soft and enjoyable. This car is ideal for family use, executive and professional buyers, luxury lifestyle, eco-friendly and modern driving. Now let's come to the price. The demand price is 1 crore 15 lakhs. Considering Lexus brand value, fully electric technology, top-of-the-line variant, 4.5 auction grade, very low mileage, fresh clearance in 2025. This price is reasonable and justified for serious buyers. Round pushpin location, Hyderabad. Outgoing email symbol contact, inbox only. If you are seriously looking for a luxury electric SUV that offers comfort, reliability, and low running cost, then this Lexus UX 300e is definitely worth considering. Before ending the video, one honest opinion. This car is not for everyone. It is for those who want premium quality, modern technology, and a future-ready vehicle. If you like this car, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with friends or family who are searching for a luxury electric car. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.